This is the sro1 Marine one. This is the hot bulb area. Just adjusted. Just a little toggle. There's a folding stock, as you can see. I like it this way and this way. This way it looks like an AK-47. And right here's the safety in there. You're gonna put it on fire. It's only a single shot. And right here is where you pull the clip out. Push that in. That. Not this one. This one. And how you reload it, you pull this down. You just shake it and it will reload. But mine, as you can see, is filled. And then when I got it, like a couple of weeks later, I asked my mom that bought it for me. She said it's okay if I drill holes in it and make it look like a real gun. Looks like a real gun to me. So comment on it, see if it looks like, comment, say if it's a real gun to you, looks like it. But let's get to the shooting area. Before we start shooting, you have to cock it right here, pull back, and shoot. Want to see someone dance? Want to see the camera do dance?
Our lovely fish tank. And you shoot me with that, I'm going to ruin your video.